are back out here in the portable garage. We are cleaning it up so we can actually build the hot rod frame. We got a package that's right there. That's a part for the hot rod. You'll find out what that is later. I think the first order of business is clearing out this metal frame right here that goes all the way down there. So we have somewhat of a pathway and more space to take things in and out. So I think my dad's plan with that frame right there is to cut it down and put it somewhere else. That's cut. Yep, that's cut. And that. Then the stop bar should come off.
This here 10,000 lumens Harbor Freight light came highly recommended from the Iron Horse Garage fellas.
10,000 lumens right there. We're thinking we can put it right in the middle because we don't.
Oh, it's another saw. Oh, there's a wheel.
I think the next thing is we're going to start pulling out some of that stuff, and we might build some legs for that box so we have some place to put out other parts.
I got legs. I cut legs. Just try to glue them on. Make the workspace here.
So we're going to leave this big wood sheet there.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that.
Okay.
Nice.
Yep, that's our plan right now. I plugged it in. It's pretty bright. That's probably gonna work. Most of the space is made. At least it's gonna be good enough.
That's it for now.
Okay. We got the legs.
We're definitely gonna continue later. We're trying to take a lunch break.
Yeah.
So you did what with that?
We put the legs on this, so now we got somewhat of a workbench and a place to store things. So that's pretty cool. We cleaned up a lot of stuff. Got the sawhorses down. We are going to need those when we are building the frame. Yep, we got light. But it's going off pretty good so far. So we are back in the portable garage. I'm gonna do for. I think what I'm gonna do first is try to move this over there or someplace around here, trying to get it out of the way so we have more room to work in the frame. We cleaned up all this area right here, put the workbench in, put some stuff on it. That's a box of parts. This is a box full of stuff for the air compressor, I believe. We sweep this off with the push broom. Kind of organize the parts over here, make them nicer. These are the wheels we're going to be using. Kind of ugly, but they were free. That's our shop vac, or big vacuum. That's our oxy-acetylene torch, which I believe we're going to be using in the next episode, or in 2 episodes from now.
Yeah, we'll see.
This. Yeah, that's the axle. We really don't have a place to put that, but we'll find some. We might just throw it over here somewhere. Next episode will probably be us getting up the sawhorses and start working on the frame. So I was originally planning on doing bike stuff on my channel. That's why it's called Bikes with Turbo, but now I'm building a hot rod. So I need to change that channel name. Put your ideas down in the comments. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button. I need to get to 500 subscribers if I want to race in No Name Nationals. The pieces we are using for frame is under this tarp. It's like literally right there. So we need to take everything off of it and get those, and see you next episode.